Hello and welcome to the Cat Scrappiness YouTube channel. My name is Lynn, or LV Handcrafted, here on YouTube, and today I am introducing the magnetic die storage sheets that just hit the Cat Scrappiness shop. These are sold in packs of 5 and they are really perfect to get your crafty supplies organized. It's a really nice size. It measures 5¼ wide by 7 1/8 tall, and it's been designed specifically so that it is compatible to be used with the Avery L large stamp and die storage. And this too is also available in the Cat Scrappiness shop if you need to restock on these. So the two of them go really nicely together, and there are a couple of storage tips that I use that I would love to share with you. So the first is, I feel like these magnetic sheets are really great for your nested shape dies because you get so many of them and the magnets are really strong. They are fairly thick and sturdy. And what I like to do is, both of these have that same wonky stitch detailing around the border, so you can actually fit two die storage sheets into one pocket. And I like to keep these together because style-wise they're similar, but whatever organizational method you prefer that helps you find things faster, go with that. And it could be maybe all of your different rectangle dies are combined together versus maybe your circles and your ovals you might combine together. So whatever in your mind kind of helps you the most to stay organized, do that. But I definitely find it helpful to use these for my nested shape dies. The other thing that I really love these magnetic die storage sheets for is, because they are so strong, they really do hold on to even the smallest little dies. And that's really fabulous because often when we get a die set, they come on a just like a backer card that is plain cardstock with maybe 1, possibly 2 strips of adhesive. Once you start to detab and separate all of these dies, it can be really hard to find enough adhesive to really, stick it back onto the backer card the same way that it was shipped to us originally. And so what ends up happening is your dies are just loose in the little storage sleeve here. And as you open it, maybe something falls out. You just never know. So that's why it's great to have a magnetic sheet, especially for coordinating die sets that have a lot of little bitty dies. And what's really fabulous about the way that these magnetic die sheets have been designed is on the back of them, it's actually white. And why is that great? It's great because then you can actually include your stamp set with the coordinating die set right in the same pocket. And because it's white, you actually don't need the original backer card that your stamp set was shipped with. And you can still see your stamped image really easily and identify exactly what it is. You could either maybe just cut off the label so you still have the brand and the label or the name of the stamp set, and then just glue that onto the back of your magnetic sheet. If you have a label maker and a naming convention that you like to use, you could do that as well. So lots of different options for staying organized, but I love that the back of these storage sheets is white because it does make it very handy to just slip your stamp set right behind the coordinating die set, have everything together and not have to cut down an extra piece of cardstock just so that you can really see the stamp set. So that's been really, really well designed. So I love that. And here's another die set that I feel is a really good opportunity to use these storage magnetic sheets, and that is the alphabet die set. But mainly, not only because there are a lot of dies and because the dies are, they're not tiny, but they are smaller than, say, a nested shape die, but mostly because originally it probably came in a backer card that looked a little bit like this, long and narrow. And by taking all of the dies off of this backer card and putting it onto this magnetic storage sheet, not only are the letters not all jumbled up and just kind of loosely in the plastic sleeve here, they're nice and organized so I can get straight to the letters that I'm looking for. But as well, instead of having to kind of find a way to store this odd shape in with all of my other craft supplies, I have standard sizing for everything. So everything is all the same dimensions, it's all uniformly packaged, and if you shop from a lot of different brands, these storage sheets are going to be great for those as well. And so it doesn't matter what brands you're shopping from, you can make everything nice and uniform. So I really, really love that. And of course, the staying organized and being able to find our crafty supplies quicker just makes it a lot easier for us to get crafty. Thanks for joining me today. If you are interested in any of the magnetic die storage, the Avery L large stamp and die storage, or any of these products that I just happened to be showing, they are going to be listed in that new product bar below the description box. So you'll see thumbnails of each of these products, and if you click on that, it will take you straight to that product in the catscrappiness.com shop. So it makes it so much easier to find exactly the products that we're showing in our videos to have that bar there. So look for that if you are interested in learning more about any of these products. Thanks for joining me, and until next time, happy crafting and have a fabulous day. Bye.